Hi, I'm Rachel Rizzieri Feist. I'm a family law attorney with Goranson Bain Ausley, and today I'm here to talk to you about an uncontested divorce process in Texas. Specifically, do I need a lawyer to help me with an uncontested divorce? To start, it helps to understand what is an uncontested divorce. An uncontested divorce is when the parties have agreements on all of the aspects involved in a divorce case. That includes property division, allocating debts, and when there are children involved, that includes all of the issues related to children, from possession schedules, conservatorship, and child support. When the parties have an uncontested divorce, the process looks something like this. First, you have to start the case in court by filing a petition for divorce. One spouse does this. Then you enter all of your agreements into a final order called a final decree of divorce. Once that's prepared, you submit it to the court, and when the judge signs, your divorce is final. There are several variables that go into how long a divorce takes. Divorces, even an uncontested one, usually takes longer than 60 days, and that's because there's a lot of steps that go into the divorce process, from filing your petition all the way across the finish line. One of the most significant reasons to hire a lawyer to help you with your divorce is that you need to understand your rights and your options before you commit to a final decree of divorce. Your divorce case is something that will affect your life long after your case is final in court. Now's not the time to rush before you understand really what it is that you're agreeing to before you get that final order entered. The second reason to hire a lawyer is to make sure that your final decree includes language that is specific and enforceable. This is necessary to make sure that your rights are protected. One of the goals is to minimize the risks that you end up back in court, and having a carefully drafted decree will help make sure that you achieve that goal. The third reason to hire a family law attorney is because there's often a lot of other documents that are required to effectuate the terms of your decree. This is anything from other court orders, real estate documents, or other forms to make sure that all of your property is divided. And in the case of child support, there's also a lot of procedures involved to make sure that payments are properly paid and received. Finally, divorce involves you and your personal life. It's a very personal process, and that can mean it's very emotional too. This can make it very difficult to follow the procedures or even comprehend what those are. A good family law attorney is someone you can trust that will make sure that every step is handled properly along the way and give you peace of mind.